from Galore Flavors. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making something extra special. So the first step we're going to be taking is separating our egg whites from our egg yolk. So here we go. Now we're going to go ahead and blend our egg whites until we reach a soft, stiff peak. About 5 to 7 minutes. This is exactly how it should look. Now we're going to move on to our egg yolks. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to start with our egg yolks. We're going to add our oil, our water, and vanilla. Okay, after these are well mixed together, set this aside. You don't need the whisk anymore. Bring in a large bowl, and now you're going to start sifting your flour. Go ahead and add your baking powder and your salt at the same time and sift. Now we're going to get some lime zest. Add the rest of your sugar. It's time to fold in our egg whites. Make sure to mix it by folding it in. Make sure not to take the air out of your egg whites. Now we're going to go ahead and place some parchment paper on our trays, but before we do that, we're going to go ahead and spray and coat our pans with some oil, lightly. This allows your parchment paper not to move around as you're spreading your batter. Next step, spray your trays with a little bit more of your oil spray. Sprinkle with some flour. This allows your cake to easily remove from your parchment paper. With your ladle, go ahead and scoop and pour in. teeth.
Thank you for watching Galore Flavors. If you'd like, click down below to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes yet to come. You could also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll see you guys next time.
Rolling, and you're rolling, Art?
Yeah.
Art, mark it, please. All right, action.
So first step we're going to be taking is separating our egg whites with our egg yolks. Let me try that again because the guy just slammed the gate.
Just take a deep breath.
Okay. So the first step we're going to take is we're going to start separating our egg whites from our egg yolks. Oh my God.
Okay, you're gonna have
We're done.